guys, welcome back to the Slay Zone. Let's get straight into this look. Boom, we're gonna go in with this pretty blue color in the Paradise AQ Basics palette. I'm gonna go in with a light coating for the first layer. We're just gonna smear this all over my face. We're gonna make sure that we get as much as we can covered. You don't worry too much about your hairline because you're gonna pull the wig forward so it's covering the edges of your face. So you're just gonna build it up as much as you can, get all of the areas. Oh, almost dropped it. We're gonna get all of this covered, make sure that every inch of it is on. Don't worry about your waterline if you don't want the blue line, because I'm gonna go in with an eyeshadow there, so don't worry. So while we're waiting for my face to be painted, let's get straight into the YouTube talk. Go make sure you follow your girl. If you are new to my page, welcome. My name is Jay. Go follow, subscribe, all that good stuff. Bada boom, bada bang. And make sure you follow my social media handles. You don't want to miss these slays. I got 13 days of Halloween, and this is day number 11. So as you see, this is the second coating we're going over with the blue. We're just going to try to even it out as best as possible. Try to get it completely covered. As you see, like, you have to be very careful with getting it covered because it's water-based, and you don't want it to end up being watered down and patchy. So try to cover as much as you can while you're doing it. Now I'm gonna go in with a damp beauty blender. Ooh, booty blender. A beauty blender. And I'm gonna go in and press that into my skin to try to get it a little bit more mattified. Get every inch of your face as much as possible so you can move on. Now I'm gonna go in with this baby blue color, and I'm going to highlight my face because she has a bright inner face. Next, we're gonna go in with the box of crayons, and we're gonna go in with that baby blue color, and we're going to contour, well, excuse me, not contour. We're going to brighten the highlight that we already have. And then we're going to go in with the Blue Moon, which is the very dark shade all the way to the bottom, the last two in the corners. And we're going to basically contour out the face and carve out the nose, the cheeks, and the forehead. Make sure you buff it in as much as possible. I didn't want to go in with a big brush because the contour on their faces are not really wide. So the next step we're going to go in with is the eyebrow. I'm using the crayon case. As you see, this pomade is life. It is so pretty. It glides on effortlessly. Next, I'm going to go in and do the tip of the nose, which is basically a really nice pink. It broadens the nose if you widen it. So make sure you go along the outer rims of your nose so you can get that broadened avatar effect. Now I'm going to go in and do the same on my lips, just basically carve it out. Next, I'm going to go in with that blue eyeshadow from the Blue Moon palette and just color it in. Now I'm going to go and take that dark blue shade again from the Basics palette and draw out the avatar lines within their face. It's not that hard. It's easily done, straight around, symmetrical shapes going right across the face. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Very easy. Make sure you get the ones that go into the side of the face so it can be highlighted. Next, you're going to take that really deep blue color that's in the Blue Moon palette, and you're going to go over the lines so it can intensify the lines in their face. Then you can go in with a white liner of your choice. I chose to use the crayon case one, or you can go in with some white paint, whichever one is easy for you, and just basically put little white dots all over the lines in their face. Next, boom, all over the face. Now we're gonna go and add some lashes, and pow, just like that, from Amazon. I'll leave a link down below. Next, you're gonna go in and get some yellow eyeshadow. I used the box of crayons yellow. I didn't have any contacts, so I kind of forgot. So yeah, I added some mascara. Then we're gonna fix this wig, sis. Make sure you color in that part blue. Pow, add some braids, and there you go. You're an avatar. hope you enjoyed this beginner easy tutorial. If you try to recreate this, tag me down below, leave a comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Toodles!